Welcome to the world of comfortable students living with Rahere Court. Situated in the English city of London, Rahere Court offers a range of fully furnished en-suite rooms and studios that will make you feel right at home. Choose to relax in your en-suite room, complete with a private bathroom and study area, or opt for an independent studio featuring a private bedroom, bathroom, study, fully equipped kitchenette, and lounge area. All to yourself, the choice is yours. Outside your room, you'll find a cozy common room furnished with sofas, TV, and a free-to-use pool table. And for those sunny days, the private courtyard with picnic tables is all set for you to enjoy. Located near Mile End Park and just 20 minutes from central London, Rahere Court offers easy access to most of London's top universities and colleges. Whether you're studying at City University, KCL, or Queen Mary University, which is conveniently located just across the road, you'll be able to get there in no time. And when you are done studying, you'll find plenty of options for fun in this relaxed part of town, from clubs to green spaces to delicious fried chicken. So don't waste another second and head to amberstudent.com to book your stay at Rahere Court today.